Hello guys, it is hours later. It's almost 6 p.m. right now. So I was so excited to vlog for you guys this weekend. There was so much that was going to be happening. And then Thursday night, Darren got injured, and that has kind of had us reworking our entire weekend. So now we are at home. I am making dinner. His injury was on his hand, so his hand's out of commission. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I just heard some heavy bass from our freaking neighbor. They are not starting a freaking party right now. 6 o'clock. Oh, this will be a first that they're actually doing it on a freaking weekend. Oh, if they go loud, I'm bringing out my decibel reader. Just freaking wait. I am making Thai yellow curry. So this is one of the things that Darren usually makes. However, he walked me through it, so I made it. So we're just kind of waiting for everything to finish steaming, and then the rice is almost done. So originally, I was supposed to be on my way to Stockton right now for a family birthday. So in the last vlog, how I showed you guys those like blown up photos that I printed, those were a gift for the birthday dinner tonight, but since Darren's injuries to his hand, he wasn't able to take care of Nathan, so now actually I need to stay home because he has this evening routine, so we can't take him places that night. It's a whole thing. Anyway, so I'm home. I did drop off the present at my parents' house, so they're going to take it. So I'm waiting because I asked her to check out, or not check out, I asked her to open the gift tonight. Her actual birthday is on the 2nd, which is my mom's birthday too. The two of them share a birthday. So I told her not to wait till her birthday and to open it tonight because I want to know what she thinks about it. I told her to ask, to let me know if she likes it, but it's literally her wedding picture, so she's gonna like it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just keep checking my phone. The dinner doesn't actually start till like 6:30, so it's still like another half hour until it begins. So I know I'm not gonna know for at least like an hour and a half or something, but I'm like, open it. The gift's not even there, but I'm so excited. So no. Darren is offering to show you guys his injury. No, I won't even make direct eye contact with it. I get like so like, can't handle wounds. Okay, well, rice is done and the food is done. So it is dinner time. Yum, look at that. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. So right now, we are getting ready to go on a walk. So today we have my mom's birthday party. So it starts at 1 o'clock. So we've got just a little bit of time. So I've already got Nathan in his stroller. I still have to strap up the dogs, but Darren just went to go shower and get dressed. So I have a little bit of time. This is one of those shirts that like it's supposed to like go like that, but like it keeps like riding up. So yeah, no, my shirt's gonna be in a variety of different angles throughout this vlog because I can't keep it under control. Right now, we have a squirrel at my nut bar. You guys remember I put it in a vlog maybe like 2 vlogs ago, and I built this nut bar and I have it outside in the tree and it's almost empty. And so the squirrel figured out how to open it so that he could get everything out. So then I ended up putting some of the peanuts just like on the edge of the cement. And so he's been coming, grabbing it, and then taking it back to the nut bar to eat it. So I keep forgetting to refill it the past few days. So I've left things out so that I don't forget. And then right now, making myself a little bit of breakfast. So I'm toasting up an Asiago bagel. So I went to Noah's Bagel the other day and I got a dozen bagels because I've just been craving them. And then they were running a special where it was $10 for a baker's dozen. Yeah, usually that's I think like $21. And so I was like, don't mind if I do. Because I was already heading there that morning to pick up, I was just gonna get 4 bagels. But then when I was like, oh, for like $2 more, I can get 13. Yes, please. So that's what I'm doing now. I like a good, nice crisp on it. And then I always just use the plain cream cheese. My mom loves the strawberry cream cheese. Ugh. I don't even know why they sell it. Well, clearly they sell it because people like my mom like it. Oh, the other one must be open. But these little things, you get 13 bagels and 2 little things of cream cheese. Like, that's ever gonna be enough. So we do need to go to the store and pick up a proper tub of cream cheese so that we can actually eat all these bagels. Although yesterday I did turn them into bagel sandwiches. So I guess that's one way to not have to use as much cream cheese. Hi, Sadie. So the car has seen much better days, so we're gonna go get a car wash. My neighbor's dog, it's a little Yorkie, and he is the craftiest little fellow in town. He's always escaping. I always randomly find him just like prancing down the sidewalk or in someone else, sniffing around someone else's front yard. And I don't know how he's always getting out, but I get him every time. I'm like, excuse me, young man, where do you think you're going? So I pick him up and I always put him back in his backyard, made sure the gate was shut real tight. But I don't know how he's always sneaking out. Do you guys ever feel like this mirror is just like too dang small? Like you can see like one eyeball at a time. So I took the Jeep through here the other day. It was crazy. This is like a no-touch car wash, which like I've never heard of in my life. And the thing moves around the car. You know, usually like your car like moves through it, like you put your car in neutral and then it like rolls you. This one, you put your car in park and it moves around you like back and forth. It's crazy. Let me see if I can show you when it starts for the car in front of me because you need to see it. So yeah, it's like sensing the car right now and you can see like what stage it's on by like the blinking light at the top. Look at it, look at it. It's lowering, it's bringing it in. Look at it go. Now we're at the grocery store. Time to get a bunch of stuff. Oh my gosh, Halloween already? That's crazy. All right, straight back. All right, I found everything I need. Basically a lot of produce and herbs. What on earth is this? Still water. It's just the water bottle? That's weird. It is hours later. We are finally on our way to my mom's birthday. We are like an hour and a half late, or we're gonna arrive an hour and a half late, and I don't know where the time went. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. We are about to head to Darren's parents' house. So we're gonna do a pool day. We're gonna soak up some of the last bits of summer. Next week, the temperature drops by like 10 degrees. So I think we're gonna start easing into fall, starting like next week. So we're gonna get our last little bit of a tan. Well, I'm gonna get a last little bit of a tan. He's gonna stay in the shade. And just soak up, yeah, the last bits of summer. This morning, it was freaking thundering, raining, like what is going on? But now we have some clear blue skies. So there's like little tidbits of like fall coming through and not very excited about it. Oh, Miss Sadie's come to join us. Good morning, Sadie. Good morning. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. I actually thought someone else was playing that. Hello, Miss Smiley. Snack. Good girl. I want Sadie to be able to grab it too. Wow. Oh my goodness, Squeaks. Look at you.